Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Remote controls often malfunction with projectors and streaming devices due to signal interference. Projectors usually use infrared signals, which can be disrupted by strong lights or reflective surfaces. Streaming devices often rely on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi remotes, which may fail if signals overlap or devices aren't properly paired. Keeping a clear line of sight and avoiding signal conflicts usually solves these issues.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.